The GV60 Magma looks amazing. Look, once again, you and your team have done something extraordinary. I like the expression you use, Genesis amplified. It is like Genesis on steroids, or Genesis to the power of 10. No matter how you describe it, tonight is a defining moment for Genesis. Not just for one model, but for the future of our brand. The GV60 Magma is where Genesis performance begins its next chapter. It represents the transition of Genesis from a young luxury brand into a luxury high-performance brand. We began this journey with the GV60 for a simple reason. It embodies the youngest and most dynamic spirit of Genesis. It is the first in what will become a complete family of Magma models, high-performance expressions of every future Genesis. Over the next decade, every Genesis nameplate will have a Magma superhero variant. We are bringing luxury high performance to every segment. Magma will play a key role in driving Genesis toward the future. By 2030, Genesis global sales will reach 350,000 units annually, a 55% increase from today's volume. And Magma will be an active contributor to that growth. We expect Magma models to account for around 10% of each Genesis model's volume. This is not just a halo, it is a healthy business. Proof that emotional performance can create real value. The GV60 will launch first in Korea in early 2026, followed by Europe and North America. Magma is not only a product strategy, it is our statement of intent. It showcases how Genesis will grow. The road ahead is full of energy, full of potential, and most of all, full of passion. Now, you heard the vision. Shall we take a look at how that vision comes to life? Luke, please do the honors.
Thank you, Jose. Magma defines a new kind of luxury high performance. Where most chase aggression and extremes, we seek balance. Magma is designed to be rewarding, not challenging, to complement the driver, not to intimidate him. It's the kind of car where you suddenly realize you're driving faster than you thought you could. And it feels effortless. Only now, with Genesis fully established as a luxury brand, are we ready to express this new dimension. True luxury with performance, with purpose. Magma is not a departure from who we are. It is a natural evolution. Injecting adrenaline into luxury without losing refinement. Now, Genesis is celebrating its 10th year anniversary this month. In those 10 years, we have achieved what other brands take decades to do. As I like to say, we've done 100 years in 10. We could not have launched Magma earlier. We needed to earn it. On the ground, the GV60 Magma concept wasn't just an exercise of design. We really wanted to test the vehicle and our capabilities. Now, forget about style. Our role as designers here was purely to enable performance. From the fender extensions with aeroblades to allow the wider track, to the 3 additional cooling openings in the front bumper, the aerodynamic elements such as the rear wing, the forged aero wheels designed to reduce unsprung masses, and improve braking performance. And in the interior, the bolster seats support the drivers while enduring high lateral forces. We even developed a high-grip quilted seats upholstery to allow the drivers to be one with the car. The sports steering wheel houses the Magma button, unleashing evil performance. When you want it, if you want it. Aesthetics became the authentic result of efficiency. At Genesis, we don't do cosmetics. But now, it is time to invite the man that engineered the GV60 Magma, the head of vehicle development tech unit at Hyundai Motor Group, Manfred Harrer. Manfred, please take it from here.
Thank you, Luc. What an amazing fleet of emotional cars, isn't it? And Magma stands for emotion. And my job tonight is to paint a picture what emotion feels like when you are behind the wheel of this car. The GV60 Magma is the first Genesis engineered from ground up with a performance DNA. We began with the clean sheet of the GV60 EV platform, and we checked every component, we checked every single system to create this most dynamic Genesis ever. Our goal was simple, but very, very ambitious: make performance effortless. You shouldn't have to fight against the car or be surprised from the response. You should feel rewarded, in control, and in confidence. That was the goal. You should feel completely connected between the driver and the machine. Underneath the GV60 Magma, a dual motor system produced around 650 horsepower with boost and launching from 0 to 100 kph in just over 3 seconds. Top speed passes easily 260 kph. But more important than the acceleration is control, the ability to use that power with precision. We achieved this through a completely revised chassis kinematic, new chassis components like a stiffer wheel carrier, hydro bushings, new dampers, tires, brakes, lower ride height. And not to forget, we improved also the body stiffness. The new calibration of the electric motor and the torque vectoring system follow the logic to achieve the best driving precision. The software algorithm for the chassis systems are optimized for enhanced body control, steering feel, and for even more precise linear handling. We have integrated a new performance brake and refined the calibration of the related software. This results in optimized brake response and improved thermal stability, and delivering this consistent stopping performance, delivering this confidence. And you can see every change we made was purposeful. Nothing was added for drama. Everything was engineered for feel. Performance is not just power, it's the consistency. And GV60 Magma features an enhanced battery cooling strategy depending on the selected drive mode and combined with a new air channeling system that maintains performance lap after lap. This is where motorsport meets everyday usability. From the driver's seat, you will feel that everything has a purpose. The seating position, the vehicle response, to provide instantly feedback, to feel connected. Each system is tuned to deliver that driving feel, to deliver that confidence. The moment you realize you are driving faster and smoother than you thought possible, as Luc said before. Design and aerodynamics, as you see, we have a large rear wing with the diffuser, and we have optimized bumpers at the front and at the rear. and a redesigned underbody, delivering this perfectly balanced aero setup. This refinement gives the GV60 Magma this precise character on the racetrack and on the road. The car results in a clear philosophy. It's rewarding and not challenging. Luxurious but capable, refined but thrilling. It stands for the bridge between Genesis and our Genesis Magma racing team. What we learn from GMR feeds back into Magma road cars, and the future Magma models will help to power our racing future. It's a continuous loop of improvement. But coming to the end, we can't wait to share more details, technical details with you tomorrow, so please stay tuned and see you tomorrow with my team, and we go through the tech together. Thank you very much.